Welcome to the new lesson. Let us answer this question. So the question is, Sika is a trader buying and selling electrical appliances which cost 200 per unit. His brother Tika is located overseas and it was planned that he would sell some of the appliances. During the year ended 31st December 2016, Sika sent 1000 appliances to Tika. The following information is also available. Consignees commission 10% on sales. Tika sold 800 units at 300 each and 100 units at 280 each. Sika paid transportation cost 3000. Tika paid selling expenses 4000 and 1500 import duty. On 31st December 2016, Tika made a full remittance to Sika to settle the account. So now you have to prepare consignment account, consignee's account in the books of consignor, and there is a theory question. Identify two possible reasons for the fall in the selling price of the appliances. Because first 800 units were sold at the rate of 300 and next 100 units sold at rate of 280. So you have to find out two possible reasons. So as usual, you are aware of how to answer consignment question. Now we need to collect some information: goods sent on consignment, value of goods sold, consignor's expenses, consignee's expenses, consignee's commission, and value of unsold inventory. If you are able to collect this information, that means you are done with the exercise. Now let us prepare consignment account. Simple format that we follow: debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains, including value of unsold inventory. First is goods sent on consignment 1000 units. Electrical appliances were sent at the rate of 200. It is 200,000. Consignor's expense transportation 3000. Consignee's expense import duty 1500. Consignee's expense selling expense 4000. Consignee's commission is at 10% on sales. It is 26,800. Now coming to the credit side, sales. Consignee sold 800 at the rate of 300 and 100 units at the rate of 280. So total sales 268,000, and the value of unsold inventory, it is 20,450. So let us see little later how to calculate the value of closing inventory. Now all the entries are over. Now let us balance the total, both the sides, 288,450. Since the credit is greater than the debit side, it is a consignment profit. So profit on consignment is 53,150. So this is how you can prepare consignment account. Now let us look at how to calculate the value of unsold inventory. Number of units unsold: 1000 units were consigned, 900 units sold, and the number of units remaining 100. Now you have to calculate what is the value. You already know the formula to calculate: cost price of goods sent plus consignor's direct expenses, consignee's direct expenses, divided by total number of units consigned multiplied by total number of units remaining. So this formula gives you the value of this 100 units. Now let us see the working. Cost price 1000, 2000. Consignor's direct expense 3000. Consignee's direct expense, that is import duty, 1500. Total cost 204,500, and hence as per the formula, total cost is this much. Number of units consigned 1000 and number of units remaining 100. So the value of closing inventory is 20,450. So while calculating the value of closing inventory, you have to pay very important attention to consignees as well as consignor's expenses. In this exercise, selling expenses paid by the consignee and his commission are not included because they are indirect expenses. So this is how the value of unsold inventory is calculated. I hope I made it very clear. Now the next part of the question is you have to prepare consignee's account in the books of consignor. It is simple. Consignment account says it is already there in the consignment account, 268,000. Now you have to credit consignee's expenses and commission. The balance is to be remitted to the consignor. So consignee selling expense 4,000, import duty 1,500, consignee's commission 26,800, and the balance of 235,700 is remitted to the consignor. So this is how consignee's account prepared in the books of consignor. So there is one more question. Identify two possible reasons for the fall in selling price of the appliances. The possible reasons could be competitor prices are much lower than this. Better electrical appliances are available in the market, or there may be newer versions are available. There may be minor damages in the appliances, and hence the consignee was forced to reduce the selling price. So this is how you can prepare consignee's account in the books of consignor, and you can calculate value of unsold inventory and consignment account. So with this, we come to the end of consignment accounting part 6. Thank you. Have a great day.